Good day everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is December the 19th, 2017. We are looking at CoinMarketCap, and as you can see, the last 12 hours have been very good for altcoins. Bitcoin, as we predicted, has been correcting and will continue correcting most likely. Pretty much everything is in the green, almost double digits really, so everything's looking amazing right now. Let's look at Bitcoin. Now that's Ethereum. Bitcoin did have a spike down. It did kiss this support, the support of our trend channel, but I'm looking for a more convincing test. I'm looking for Bitcoin to actually come down here and really try to push past the support around 17,000, possibly a little bit lower, and that will be a good entry. That'll be probably a good place for us to switch from Bitcoin. Switch from altcoins to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will most likely find a lot of support here. And there's not just the trend channel that's going to support price action here. There's also this previous resistance turned support. So placing buy orders right here is a very good idea. And possibly converting some of your altcoins into Bitcoin is also a good idea. Now, this is the 1 hour chart for Ethereum, but I wanted to point something out. About 3 hours ago, there was a dip in the market, and it happened not just with Ethereum, it happened with everything. Everything was dipping. Why? Why was this happening? Well, some news that I found that could have possibly caused this to happen was the Kuwait Minister of Finance says it does not recognize Bitcoin. What does that mean? It does not mean that individuals cannot have accounts with brokers and buy cryptocurrency. What it means is that businesses in Kuwait cannot legally invest in cryptocurrencies. So basically his stance is that price is moving up too fast. It's kind of bubble-ish. It's not backed by anything, kind of the typical rhetoric, the people that don't really understand why anyone would want Bitcoin. Maybe he does understand, he just, wants to hold up his fiat currency, right? And he's recommending that people do not invest in it, but he's not going to stop anyone from investing it, just not companies. So this happened a few hours ago, and I believe this is the reason why there was some correcting going on. Now, it looks like the market is mostly recovered, and we should, from this point on, see Bitcoin continue to sink, and we should see alts continue to pump, hopefully to new highs. Now, let's see if there's any bargains out here today. IOTA might be at a decent price point. I was hoping for it to get under $3, but it never really did that. NEM has just been going crazy. It's at, I think it hit $1, which is great. Also, EOS had an excellent night, or excellent last 24 hours, I should say. Ethereum broke out clearly to new all-time highs. Ripple, I think, is a very good buy here because from a technical standpoint, if Ripple pushes higher, it'll probably break out. So Ripple, I think, is another really good buy here too. And Dash is always doing well. Geez, $1,200 and going strong. So there's always demand for Dash. Anyhow, just wanted to make a quick video to update you guys on where we are. So our plan is to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin gets to this support level, and I'm not saying that you should sell all your alts into Bitcoin, but you should consider selling a portion of your alts into Bitcoin and ride that wave up. You can also consider to buy more Bitcoin with fiat, which is probably the best thing to do. Anyhow, Paul Rogers out.